Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by and welcome to my channel. Believe it or not, I have a Dollar Tree DIY to share with you. The past few weeks I've been staying home a lot more and just using a bunch of the products and items that I've had here for quite some time for the most part. And I just wanted to start doing more and more DIY. So this one is really cute, very simple, different ways that you can do it. It's not going to be a long video, but I just think it's something really cute that you can do your own personal touch on and give it as a gift, hang it in your house or whatever. So let's go ahead and get this DIY started. So these are some of the items that I will be using. You're going to need glue guns, some of the rub-on transfers. You can use some of the gems or rock. I'll be using both. I'll be using some paint, some canvas, twine, a marker, popsicle stick, scissors, and a couple of skewers. I think that's about it. You can use any kind of size of your canvas. These are the real small ones from the Dollar Tree. You get a pack of 3. I'm going to take some of this twine and measure it out, just see how long I want it on the canvas. Now, if you want, you can use either glue or tape on the back side. I used glue, but I think for the most part, I think tape would have been smarter to use. But here at the very end, I will be showing you all the different ones I made. Again, it's endless possibilities. You can use marbles if you want. You can use any kind of stones outside that you get and add whatever little message that you would like. So once you get that glued down, you can have it like on the top, you can have it towards the bottom, you can have it going through the middle. It's however you want to put it. Now I'm going to be using some of these glass gems from the Dollar Tree. They have all different colors to choose from. And then I'm going to start placing them on the canvas on where I would like for them to sit. Once you decide on where you want them, go ahead and grab your glue gun and just need a little bit of glue. And then press on your gem or rock, whatever you're using. You can also use a skewer, which I will show you here at the very end, to make it look more like a branch. You can even use a real branch if you want. Now I'm going to take some of these rub-on transfers from the Dollar Tree and start placing them on my canvas on where I would like to put them and what looks right to me, that is. So I think I'm going to use this really little one and a big one. And I might put another one here on the corner. That's the fun part. You just place it wherever and try to decide on what looks best to you. So once you decide where you want to put them, you just take the backing off, place it on your canvas, and you can use your popsicle stick and just rub it on there. Make sure you rub it real good and make sure it all comes off onto your canvas. When you do lift it up very slowly, just in case it doesn't stick. And there you go. Now I'm going to do it with the big one here. And what I like about these rub-on transfers, they have so many words and letters and numbers and pictures, leaves, all that fun stuff. So again, it is your unique style. There we go. Now I'm going to take some black acrylic paint and my little dotting tool from the Dollar Tree. And this is what I'm going to use for the eyes. So I'm using the wider end, dip it in my black paint, and I'm just going to place one dot on my gems. Or your rock, whatever one you're doing. That one was teeny tiny, so I gotta go back over that. There we go. So of course I gotta give all of them one eyeball. Now I'm gonna take my little Sharpie and put little beaks on them. And what would be cute is that you could even make some like little rabbits if you want for Valentine's. Or not Valentine's, oh my gosh, it's the wrong holiday. Easter, that would be cute. And I like to have the beak like completely touching the gem. I'm just weird that way. You don't have to, but this is why DIYs take me forever to do, because I like it to be somewhat perfect. Just like that. Now we're going to add our feet. So I'm going to pull the string down just a little bit and make little legs. And then you can see it looks like it's standing on the wire or branch, stick, or whatever. You can give them 3 toes, 2 toes, no toes. It's however you want them to look. And another thing you could do is if you have 5 kids like I do, you can do 5 gems on there and put your kids' names or grandkids or your pet names. That would be something cute. Okay, I think we all have beaks and legs. All right, let's move on. Now I took another popsicle stick. I just cut the ends just because I'm weird. And I place it on the very bottom to line it up. And I'm going to use that to make my words straight. So I just write different messages on here, different sayings, which I will show you here at the very end. This would be something cute to make if someone's not feeling well, and you can put, get well soon. Now, since the black dot is dried, I thought I would put a little bit more, I guess, eyesight with my birds. So I'm using the really teeny tiny part on this and just putting one teeny tiny dot. And now their eyes really stand out. Ta-da! Well, I want to hang it up, so I get my twine once again, cut a piece, make sure your eyeballs are dry, and I'm just going to use tape this time and just tape that on the back. You can also use wire if you want to use wire, or you can turn it into a magnet. And there we go. These are all the different ones I've been able to make so far. These are the neutral color rocks that I got from the Dollar Tree. And again, go outside, pick some stones up or whatever. So I'm just showing you all the different sayings, the different colors. All the rub-on transfers are all from the Dollar Tree. You can use the flowers. These are the words. I just think these are really, really cute. My kids love them. I'm going to let them pick out whatever ones they want. And of course, there's the keep smiling and see you in the spring. That is what my tattoo says, because that's what my dad would always say when you would say bye to him. He would always say, see you in the spring. You can even paint your canvas like I did with that one right there with the blue and white. These are really fun and really cute, very easy to make. So I just wanted to share this really quick with you, so maybe this will give you something to do over the weekend if you want to. So I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, be sure you hit that like button and be sure you hit that subscribe button as well, because I would really love to have you. I plan on doing another video tomorrow. Most likely it will be a Dollar Tree haul or be a walkthrough. As always, I want to say thank you for always taking the time out of your day to stop and watch my videos. I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, safe Saturday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Keep smiling.